With every mobile phone company trying to beat its rival, some have surely gotten way ahead. Xiaomi has taken this banter a little too seriously and has decided to bring for its viewers something out of the box, a device with the world's largest camera. Later in the video, on the back, we have the silicone leather back, which the company claims to be environmentally friendly, and the camera, the highlight of the phone, tucked into a ball-sized glass with no whatsoever proofing for scratch or drop protection. It's actually a three-camera setup with each having its own lens and under the umbrella of a single glass. Hi guys, welcome back. You are watching your favorite channel, Tech World. In this video, we're going to cover the much-talked world's largest smartphone camera. So, make sure to watch till the end. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon on your way. Xiaomi's new 12s smartphone lineup consists of the Xiaomi 12s, Xiaomi 12s Pro, and 12 Ultra. All three devices will have camera modules developed in partnership with Leica. Of the trio, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is launched with a big twist. Not only does it have a distinct design that aims to mimic the larger lens aesthetic of DSLR cameras, but it also has a formidable camera module to boot. It features a 48 megapixel periscope style telephoto lens, a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 50 megapixel wide lens. But the hero of the picture is the 1-inch sensor, the Sony IMX989, for the main camera. But is the device worth it apart from the camera? Let's find out. Starting from the outside, the front looks pretty similar to any other smartphone that we've been seeing from the past couple of years. But as soon as you turn it around, things begin to feel different. On the back, we have silicone leather, which the company claims to be environmentally friendly. The camera, the highlight of the phone, tucked upon a ball-sized glass with no whatsoever proofing for scratch or drop protection, is actually a three-camera setup with each having its own lens and under the umbrella of a single glass. When it comes to the screen, the Xiaomi has used tempered glass that is scratch-resistant to maximum strength, and the same glass protects the big back camera. The selfie camera and the earpiece are extremely thin and mounted at the top and front. Coming to the sides of the phone, on scratching with a blade, we confirmed them to be made of metal, including the power button. And even when we scratched hard with the blade and tried to pull out the buttons, they didn't come off. The top of the phone is, however, plastic and lodges a microphone, light sensor, and one of the two stereo loudspeakers. The second loudspeaker is at the bottom with a 67-watt fast-charging USB-C port and a tray that can accommodate two SIMs. The tray has an orange rubber waterproofing ring to support the IP68 water resistance. There is a 50-watt wireless charger somewhere in the box. Apart from that, the phone has a 6.73-inch AMO LED display that promises 1500 nits of peak brightness at 2K resolution with support for the P3 color gamut. It has a top-of-the-line processor in the form of the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Plus, which Xiaomi says will mean reduced power consumption and lower heat emissions. Though the main highlight, the phone's history-making camera hardware doesn't guarantee the best in-class photos. The phone's software, however, adds to provide some good photos, but since the device has been currently released, there is much more to know about it. Nevertheless, if you want to have a first-hand experience of the world's largest smartphone camera, go ahead and buy yours. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about our tech-savvy videos. Also, if you like the video, give a big thumbs up and fill the comments with your thoughts and views. See you in the next video.